How to clear a stuffy nose. A congested or stuffy nose caused by inflamed blood vessel in membrane lining inside of your nostril, usually due to flu, cold, or allergy. Excess mucus in your nose can make it difficult to breathe. While it can be threatening to newborn, is simply annoying and uncomfortable for most kids and adults. Luckily, stuffy nose can usually be easily cleared up with minimal cost and time. Please note that stuffy nose will not completely go away until the underlying infection has subsided completely. Because to try and kill infectious pathogen, your immune system creates mucus. The steps are just treatment, they are no cure. Quick fix for kids and adults. Take it easy when blowing your nose. If your nose is stuffed by no dripping, or mucus is coming out easily when you blow your nose, don't force it. Your impulse may be to blow your nose, until you expel some mucus, but best if you leave the tissues alone. Only blow your nose when it is running. Blowing repeatedly will make the delicate membrane inside your nostril get more inflamed, and can quickly lead to increased stuffiness. It seems counterintuitive at first, but you really will feel better if you use tissue less. Take over the quantity de congestant or antihistamine. Depending on the cause of the stuffiness, you might be able to find some relief in widely available medication. Roi to If you have a cold, pick up a decongestant. Decongestant will ease swelling and inflammation in your nasal passage, leading to easier breathing. You can take them orally, a pill, or use a decongestant nasal spray. Beavarta decongestant nasal spray are only recommended for 3 consecutive days of use. Oral decongestant such as Sudafed can be taken for up to 7 days. If you're suffering from allergy, such as FEV, get antihistamine. If allergy are at root of your problem, antihistamine will both relieve congestion and take care of the symptoms, like sneezing. Beavarta some antihistamine can cause sedation. Look for non-drowsy option to take during the day and way to drive or use heavy machinery until you thought antihistamine affect you. Use a saline nasal spray. Saline nasal spray are simply salt water in a convenient applicator, no medication or drug are included. Water will soothe inflammation in your nose, while flushing out any mucus or bacteria. Buit spray, or make your own spray. You can purchase sterile saline spray at most drugstore. Or, if you own a nasal aspirator or bulb syringe, make your own by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of salt with un cube warm, sterile water. L'enlever à 5, 8 the tip of your nose pointing toward the drain. T position allow the water to easily run out of your nose. Slowly spread the saline into one nostril at time. If you're using a bulb syringe, squeeze it a little to evacuate the air, dip it into the saline solution, enroll the bulb. Squeeze the bulb again to put the solution into your nostril. Allow the solution to drain from your nose completely before spraying again. Use the saline solution to treat a day. Check out to use an type for an alternate way to irrigate your sinus with saline solution. Use steam to ease congestion. The moisture it from steam will ease inflammation and help you breathe easier. The good news about the method, you can do it often as you need to, including running a humidifier constantly until you feel better. Take a steamy shower. Close the bathroom door so that no steam escape and turn the water temperature up. If you don't want to bath, simply jet the shower and inhale steam it fill the bathroom. Inhale steam from a boiling pot of water. Bring the water to a gentle boil, and carefully over it to breathe in the steam. Just make sure you don't burn yourself. Run a humidifier or vaporizer. It can be especially helpful while you're sleeping. Make sure you follow instructions for cleaning tiny, a mold can easily grow on humidifier, which will only make your symptoms worse. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluid will thin out any mucus in your nose, making it easier to expel. Textra moisture in your system will also suit irritated nasal passage en prevent sinus blocage. Some people find it helpful to drink warm fluid when they are congested. Consider herbal tea, broth, or soup. Puis a warm compress over your nose. Wet a washcloth with water out you can stand, lead on, and let a cloth over the bridge of your nose so tight cover your sinus believe the path to your nostril clear. Wet washcloth when it start to feel uncomfortably cold. It might take a fair round of reheating at washcloth for you to feel even fee, so be patient. Try using a compress will you do something relaxing, like listening to music or watching TV. Use a vapor rub. Most chest or vapor rub contain menthol, eucalyptus, ambar oblique or camphor, which some people believe helps congestion when the vapor are inhaled. Popular rub cambuzet forti purpose inclut de vic, tige balm, en ici haute. All tout ingredient in the remedy ma effectively relieve the sensation of a stuffy nose in many people, try insufficient evidence to suggest that effectively try a cold symptom. 1. Treat application method for some relief. Rub it on your throat chest if you're going to sleep. Close on to your nose tie you'll be able to breathe it consistently as you sleep, but no so close tight will irritate your eye. Puis some vapor rub on a tissue, then all tissue to your nose en inhale depli. Or, if you don't have an vapor rub on, dab a drop or two of peppermenthol beneath your nose. It should have the same effect. Rest in an upright position. If you find that congestion gevors when you lie down, try to elevate your head a little bit. Puis en extrapio beneath your head, or try to sleep in a recliné. Use nasal adhesive strip. The tin with strip go over the bridge of your nose, en armant to manually within your nostril just on to help you breathe easier. They might be marketed a anti-snoring strip in some store. Yet specified. If your sinus are congested, consider chewing down on a dish slightly spicy and you usually enjoy. Drink plenty of water as you eat, and you should find your nose running bit of the smell. Blow out a mucus as you can. Treating en enfant, 2. Watch for nasal congestion in infant. Because infant can breathe out of their mouth yet, nasal congestion can become a serious condition, especially during breastfeeding. Because you can simply blow a newborn nose, you'll have to clean out the mucus via otement. Use saline drop to loosen an mucus. Place infant on a flat surface, with a roll towel beneath the shoulder to tip it back. Place a fait drop of saline solution in a nostril, en wet 30 to 60 secondes. To make your own saline solution, mix un 4 teaspoons salt with un 2 cups plus que warm water. Drain mucus. Turn infant on serre stomach to help the mucus drain out. You have to wash when it come to manual removal. Roll a tissue into a small cone, en svabit around the nostril. Dono insert coton svabinto en infant nose, EV. Use a bulb syringe or nasal aspirator to remove mucus. Push out a small portion of air, insert aspirator into the very front portion for the nostril, and gently roll the bulb. Squeeze an mucus you remove onto a tissue. Know when to call a doctor. Nasal congestion can cause serious problem in infant if it continue for too long. Jet help if you notice the following symptom. The congestion interfere with the baby ability to feed. The baby AFV. The baby breathing extremely labored and fast. Making boiled onion for baby. Tian old mama de remedy. If you have any concern about a baby inability to breathe, see your doctor or call emergency service immediately. Puis a fait large piece of onion in small saucepan with several cups of water. Bring to the boil. Boil until the water change color or the onion turn soft. Remove the pan from the heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. After it cooled off, give about 3 to 4 ounces to the baby. It will help to unclog the nose. Make sur you test te température tout make sur it à collègue en YouTube saf tout give tout